It's roller set. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. This is what it looks like when you first get it. All right. So let's see what this does first. Oh! It comes with 2 wig caps that are my skin complexion. I mean, they like my skin. Look at my skin. They like my skin complexion. Okay. And then this is just, and I legit ordered this 2 days ago. So actually, did I order it 2 days ago? Yeah. How to wear it. And so there's instructions, really cool, even wash instructions. That's a rarity. Like, they'll have wash instructions, but they don't have them where you can actually like see what they're doing. So that's pretty awesome. Dear friend, thank you so much for your order. We sincerely hope that you would be satisfied with our product and service. Attention please to reward our customer. We have some wigs posted on our Facebook page, blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Okay, so there's that. Oh, okay. Now I don't really wear lashes unless I'm on stage or filming, but they have some lashes that came with them. Okay, here is the wig. I'm gonna pull it out. There's a lot of crap on my bed, you guys, so oh my gosh, wow. So it's in this, you see the net, just in a net. Now you guys know I don't wear dark hair normally, but the girl at the retinopathy specialist, the retinal specialist, was like, you need to wear dark hair. And she saw me with a picture of my hair with dark hair. And she's like, I want to see you with dark hair. I'm like, you know what? It is summer. Everybody else goes light in the summer. I'm light all the time. So I like to go dark in the summer for at least a week or so. And then I go back to light. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Y'all, this is my hair, because I wash my hair. I'm off camera. I will let y'all see my natural hair, but I'm gonna do a little video for that. But this is the unit, so let's take it out and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this little white thing here. They also have some tags here. Oh wow, so there's a little, oh okay, well, there's a faux scalp. Let me see if y'all can see that. There's a faux scalp right there. So it's not a real scalp, but I figure I can take this here and just put some foundation there. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how pretty this wig. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. All right, hold on. So it does have comb, and it's a comb here, right here. Can y'all see that? There's a comb here, there's a comb here, and then there's no comb at the bottom, but there are these tighteners here, like that. Yeah, just the combs on the side and then the tighteners at the bottom. But that's still cool. I'm good with that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous, full. It looks like human hair. It feels like human hair. It's long. It says it's, I think, 28 inches is what it is. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna actually put this on so y'all can see it. I'll do my makeup and everything, and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll be back. You guys, and this is with the whole unit pulled forward. Y'all, I'm loving it. Me with dark hair, and look how long it is. Wow. So yeah, me with dark hair. It's gorgeous. I mean, it feels, and it's synthetic, and it feels human, looks human, behaves human. It's very, very pretty. Now, I did read up, and a lot of influencers like me actually really love this unit. They said it's, especially for the price, it's really, really good. So I'm hoping I like it. My makeup was inspired. It was kind of inspired by Kenya. I'll have to, let me step outside and show y'all my makeup. Here it is, guys. This is it. Actually, this is what it's looking like. And it's long. See how it goes all the way here? Now let me just pull it back.
let's see if y'all can see. I love there you have it. There you have it.